Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install and use Docker on Ubuntu 20.04. This is my server information. Step 1, install Docker Compose before your server update and upgrade, but I am checking server version and IP address. Yes, so must be your server update and upgrade using this command. Then install some dependency package, HTTPS, software properties common. Installation done. Now add Docker repo URL and then add repository into this, and then update this repository file. Your server can reach this URL, download.docker.com Linux Ubuntu focal stable version. Then install, this is cache, yes, and then install Docker CE. Press Y for we want to continue. Installation done. Now check status. Docker status, yes, Docker is properly running in this server. Working with Docker image, run. Docker run hello world, unable to find message, pulling, yes, hello from Docker. Or you can search your Ubuntu package for Docker. This is Nginx, Apache. Now create pool, Docker pool Ubuntu. Downloading this Docker. Status run Docker image. Then C is Ubuntu. Now running this command for going to Ubuntu Docker container. Now I am going to Ubuntu Docker container. This is my Docker ID, Docker container ID. Now install Node.js into this Docker Ubuntu server. Now install Node.js. Now installation done Node.js. Now check Docker version, Node version 12.22.9, and now I checking managing Docker container. Now exit from Docker, Control X, and then check Docker PS. Docker PS option A. This is Ubuntu. This is name. This is option L, Ubuntu. This is name. Docker start. This is start command or stop command. Stop, you can use name. This is name for a stop. And add comment in this using this images author name. This is author name, new name, author name ACSRSS, or this is the image. This is Node.js, container ID or repository, new image name, take RSS image, container ID, name, and repository must be lowercase, invalid reference format. Yes, now change this author and name. And then this is take RSS image and latest. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.